Question 12 gets you to distinguish between the terms Hamiltonian circuit and path, and they have an Earlian circuit and Earlian path. Hamiltonians require you to visit every vertex only once. An Earlian requires you to visit every path once. A circuit means that all vertices for Hamiltonian scenario are visited returning to A. Earlian scenario means you'd follow every path returning to A. Now basically, if these are connected, you could almost do a Hamiltonian circuit automatically. An Earlian one, you'll have to look for the caveat of the odd vertices. So here you'll see that C is of degree 3 and E is of degree 5. So indeed you can do an Earlian path, but not an Earlian circuit. A Hamiltonian circuit, there's quite a few variations here. I could simply go around the outside and get from A to A. So when it comes to answering B, we work on the if possible principle and no Earlian circuit. 2 vertices of odd degree. Now, an Earlian path indeed is possible in this instance. So it doesn't say where I'm going, but I could find one between almost any of the particular ones starting. In my instance, I'll go from E to A, to B, to A, to E, and completing the outside circuit like so. I'll leave you to write a particular case. When it comes to the Hamiltonian path from D to C, there's quite a few variants there for you. And similar from D to A. I'll leave you to work on that, but a nice little distinction between Hamiltonian and Earlian. Question 14 is one of these travelling salesman problems. The basis is the salesman has to minimise the distance that he, could be a she nowadays, travels from their starting point to each of their particular potential sales points. It's a little frustrating for mathematicians, this one, and as it really are in the realms of trial and error. Now, probably the easiest thing to do is to tag things in as you go. There are some variations, but all the particular points have to be varied. Now, after a bit of mucking around, I found the following. That seems to be the easiest way to go around. So I'll write that one down. Quite possibly a problem at the edge of the syllabus, but it doesn't hurt to have a little bit of trial and error, I suppose, in the course.